Welcome to our tutorial on using E3 data with Relativity. There are a variety of options depending on what type of data you are working with. In this tutorial, we will focus on mobile data as an exported binary load file and mobile message data exported as a RSMF file. To start exporting data to the Relativity load file format, in the supported evidence, select files and grids you want to export. In the Export tab, click Export to Load File. Select Export Only Data checked as Add to Export and click Export. Once the exporting process is over, locate a folder with exported data at the destination path. The folder contains the exported data and the Relativity load file required for correct import of data to the Relativity tool. If you want to export iOS and Android messages, MMS and RCS, to the Relativity short message format for their further import to the Relativity tool, you would start by selecting the grids with messages or separate messages you want to export. In the Export tab, click Export to RSMF. Select Export Only Data checked as Add to Export and click Export. Once the exporting process is over, find a folder with .rsmf file at the destination path. Use this file to import message data to the Relativity tool.